Okay, good morning. Today we're looking at column addition. Now there's a few things that we have to remember about column addition, and I wrote these on your lesson plan to remind you. So we always start on the right hand side. Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. We write our addition symbol, and if we carry a number, we move it underneath the next number along. So if we're carrying the ones, that goes under the tens. If we're carrying the tens, it goes under the hundreds, and so on. So let me show you what some of that criteria is. If we had the number 23 and we add 14, you can already see some of the success criteria here. So we have ones under ones, tens under tens. I've written my addition symbol, and now I'm going to start on the right hand side. So the right hand side is here. 3 add 4 is 7. 2 add 1 is 3. The answer is 37. Now I didn't need to carry anything for this question, but we're going to have a look at a trickier one now where we'll have to carry. So if I had 47 and I add 14, again, we can see some of the success criteria. So I've got 7 and 4 in my ones column, 4 and 1 in my tens column. I've used my add sign. Again, if I need to, I can put a 0, an O and a T on top for ones and tens. I'm always going to start on the right hand side. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Oh, I can't write 11 down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 1 from 11 here, and the first one, which would be 10, is going to go under the tens column, so it's going to go there. So I've got 11. You can see it looks like the number 11 too. So I've got 11. Then I'm going to move on to the tens column. 4 plus 1 is 5, but I can't forget that I've got 1 down here to add on to that. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and the answer is 61. Now again, these could get harder and harder, so we could end up having a 3-digit number, adding a 3-digit number, and we might need to carry twice. So let's have a look what that might look like. So I could have 237 plus 188. Now again, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. I've got my add symbol here, and I'm going to start on the right hand side. So I'm going to start with 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now again, we know we can't write 15 here, so all I'm going to keep is the 5, so the ones, and the 10 out of the 15 is going to go down the bottom here. So I've got a 1, and again you can see it looks like a number 15. 1, 5, 15. Then we're going to move on to the tens column. 3 plus 8 is 11. Oh, but I've got a 1 down here, so I need to add that on, which makes 12. Again, I cannot write 12, so I have to just keep the 2. And then I'm putting the 10 down the bottom there, or the 100 down the bottom there. Now I'm in the hundreds column, so 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and I have 425.